Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Mailchimp allows you to collect customer emails, build an audience, and send email marketing campaigns to promote your product. With this integration, you can automatically add Etsy customers to your Mailchimp audience and create targeted email campaigns. This setup is useful for sellers who want to grow repeat customers and promote new products. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Mailchimp in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first I want you to do is create a Mailchimp account. So before connecting Etsy, create a Mailchimp account. So go to mailchimp.com, click sign up free. Okay, so we have to sign up here. Okay, so tap sign up. Create an account using email address, username, and password. Okay, log into your Mailchimp dashboard after that. Okay, and choose an Etsy Mailchimp integration tool. So because Etsy and Mailchimp do not connect directly, so you will need an automation platform. Popular options include Zapier, Make, Automate.io, alternatives. Okay, so these tools allow you to send Etsy order data to Mailchimp, add customers to a mailing list, trigger automated email campaigns. So Zapier is the most commonly used option. Okay, I recommend it to you. So create a Zapier account. If using Zapier, go to zapier.com, click sign up, create an account using email, Google accounts, log into the Zapier dashboard. Now connect your Etsy account inside Zapier, click create Zap, choose Etsy as the triggered app and select a trigger such as new order, new customer, new shop review. Click connect account and log into your Etsy seller account. Click allow access and Zapier will now access your Etsy shop. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.